kind of wanted to do this video in commemoration of the land before the glass fire. This is in Napa County. This is up on Summit Lake Drive with one of the best views in Napa County, a view that looks north. And the view here is unique because you can look north into Lake County and the mountains up behind Lake County and Mendocino County. You can see Snow Mountain in the winter. Sometimes it's covered with snow. And this guy had one of the best views I'd ever seen because you're looking at a place that's like not very populated when you're looking at Snow Mountain, and that's just wilderness area. So it's a real beautiful view. This was in the summer, early summer. This was in May of 2020, before the glass fire. And this is one of the most beautiful. Here I'm showing off my tsurugi, my silky tsurugi saw to show that how fast it can cut through a really thick, dead Douglas fir limb. It's not rotten, it's still solid wood. Now I'm going to top it right here. This property is one of the nicest properties I've ever worked on. It was like just a beautiful place. That canyon live oak right there, that Quercus chrysolepis that I'm looking at right there, that's a Douglas fir now to the right of it. But that Quercus chrysolepis is the biggest Quercus chrysolepis I've ever seen in Napa County. It's like 160 feet tall. It's just gigantic. The crown is really broad. He had a bunch of really big ones on that property. That property was like the headwaters of, just below his property there were springs down in the canyon below the gully. Springs and all kinds of really awesome specimen trees. And about 80% of that was all destroyed by the glass fire. That's why we need to get rid of ladder fuels and have more prescribed burns more frequently. Also, the native grasses in this area were epic. My Hero 3 black GoPro camera gave up the ghost. I could only squeeze out about a half an hour of shooting time with it ever. That was the max. And it's grown less and less. I bought extra batteries. I've heard the newer ones last much longer. If GoPro wants to send me one, I'll demo it and I'll compare my old Hero 3 black with the new 9 or 10. I will even take an old 9 or something.